Hi guys. So this is an update for the Glock. Um, I'm still quite new at this YouTube thing, so I did a lot of work on it, but didn't film it. So assembled all of this. This part, nice new parts, looped. Everything on the housing was used, but I got it for free, so yeah, doesn't really matter. The old one was cracked, like right here. That's why the slide was jammed. So this should go in really nicely, and some sights with the correct visuals. And the rod which was missing. This is also a second-hand one, but I found it in my parts bin, so it was free as well. I bought this, and I bought new hub-up bucking, and then and down here I painted it black, but there's an eye key in here from Maple Leaf, so it should shoot really well. Of course, I like in my previous video, I polished the barrel just so it's nice on the inside for the ease of maintenance. And all the plastic parts, some of them were cracked, some of them are missing. They're all here. So let's assemble it. Let's shoot it. That's what we're gonna do in this video. And the next one I'll be doing all the visuals. And I've decided to paint the polymer. This, don't worry, it will look great. This is a DDR green. It's German green, whatever you want to call it. And the frame is gonna get that. And we're not gonna grind away the finger grooves because I like them. We're gonna make a good cutaway here, cutaway here. We're gonna cut away for the mag release here. Keep the thumb rest because I like that as well. And removing this. And I'm on the verge on the rice stippling. I'll show you when I stipple this. The rice stippling or the snake skin or maybe the croc. I don't know yet. I'll see. You could comment down below on what you would see in the gun. Ultimately, I decide myself, but you can give some comments or something nice you've seen. Oh yeah, and the trigger assembly. I did a lot of grinding. There's a lot of polishing going on. A lot of this was not originally me who did this, but nevertheless, I did sharpen the shear on this, so the trigger pull is extremely light, and that's because I like that. It's very light. So that's because I like this, and that's because I sourced the mag. It's also a VE mag, but it's HPA tabbed, so that's what I like to run, and that's what I like to use. And that brings me to sorry, English. On my original video, what the little extra thing was. It's a Polar Star regulator. It's the MR Micro. It's really nice. It's really expensive, but I thought when you went HPA, you can't do it without, a regulator. And what's a regulator? Without a hose. This is a Wolverine. It's one of my old ones, but it works. I'll show you when I assemble this. I'm gonna shoot the gun a couple of times. So this works, and it's hooked up to a bottle. You'll get this as well if I can ship it legally to a country and blah 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 blah. All of this, but this I can ship. This I can ship no problem. So that was the secret, and that's only if you know what you're supposed to do in the first video, where I explain what you need to do to win one of these, along with this, of course. So let's assemble all this. Let's go. So it's very simple. All the trigger assembly have been assembled. That's very easy. we need to assemble the slide. I did some visuals on this side, which I'm not going to show you right now, but I'm going to show you in the end of the video, maybe by mistake. Now let's just watch it now. This is just paint. You see it's quite tatty. Up here it's like worn really badly. So I thought maybe we should go paint it or something, but I really like aluminium, the look of that. So it's been brushed to be it's sort of high kappa looking, but you get the picture. It's really nice. It's got a little dent here which I'll fix. No problem, I'll fix it. I think I'll keep it this way, and then just repaint it black on the top, on the front, and perhaps on the back. I don't know yet. Maybe we'll paint it black on the back as well. But the side will be just as this, so it will be looking amazing, and also with this and with a full black stippling job down here and here, and I'll cut away for a thumb rest and all this. We'll get to that. Let's assemble it first. So the first thing needs to go in this. Goes with the spring as well, or we can pull it back. Let's just see if it works. Works perfectly. Nope. There we go. And just be careful not to drop it all over. These can be, a little fiddly to get in, because sometimes the slide's a little bent, but this went in really nicely. So this secures to the rear side. This is just a piece of plastic, but yeah, it's good. It holds it in place. It doesn't need to do anything else than that. So we're just gonna do this real time. I know it's gonna be a little bit long video, but yeah, who cares? You're winning a free Glock white, so you might as well watch this. Nope. In with this, and yeah, this was supposed to go in before that. Never mind, I'll do that later. This is also very easy. Just need to do this correctly. Sorry if I'm not talking. I'm assembling this first time as well. Now this is crap. So yeah, this basically has two different sides, one big and one small, and this hole only accommodates one of these. Well, it accommodates both of them, but it only needs to be one of them, because this will fit really snugly, and the one with the little one, it's really loose, so it goes in like this. This just needs to hold the spring back. Let's focus. Thank you. And we'll just align these. Oh, front side. Now, if we're gonna paint it, we'll just leave it for now. This is just to show the function of the gun. Side down. Sometimes it's a bit difficult to work like on a distance like this is. So I'll just bring it up. This is just a bit tough because it's new. I'll just grab some oil. So, no problem. There we go. It just needs a little bit of help. So you can see this is gonna look really, really nice. The brushed I'm gonna keep black on top, brushed here, and this is gonna get some more polishing, I guess, and we might do the outer barrel here as well. I don't know yet. It's a work in progress. But anyway, I got my air right over here. So completely sealed mag, no leaking. And work. Very lovely. So gun is working, and this is at, let me see, this is at, wow, this is only at 40 psi, so this is gonna be really snappy. So in conclusion, the next video we'll do maybe something that you mentioned in the comments below, but for the most of it I've already decided on the frame color, because this looks really nice when you have a stippling job in black, and it also works really well with a brushed slide. So that's what we're gonna do with it, and it's gonna be really awesome. So comment down below on, yep, you know what to do. Watch the first video if you want to win the regulator and the tank and all this. So till next time, we'll see you.